Change the default WhatsApp number. Click on three dot icon and then go to settings and then account and go to the change number. Next, put old phone number and country code and then the new one with the country code and click on next. Turn on notify contact and choose which contact will notify that you change your default number. I'll choose all contact. It will take some time. Give the verification number. Give the password of your phone. I already put my passport on my WhatsApp. Verification is completed. A pop-up message should open and said that your phone number is no longer registered on the WhatsApp on this phone. This might be because it is registered to another number. If it didn't do this, verify the phone number to log back into your account. So I'm logging in another time and put my number and next and put the name and the next and there you can see they loaded all the chat and everything on my WhatsApp and that's it. Thank you.